Hello everyone. Get ready for the most insane car crashes you've ever seen. Here at Crash Official, we've compiled a collection of epic moments where idiots and cars get instant karma on camera. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. One. That road-raging driver made a monumental mistake, finding out the hard way that messing with others in traffic is a terrible idea. His aggressive actions led to instant karma, teaching him a valuable lesson he hopefully won't forget. This clip is a perfect example of what happens when you lose control on the road. 2. You're about to see why a dashcam is essential. A driver caused an accident by dangerously cutting off the dashcam owner, then immediately started road raging and lying. Both the driver and their passenger screamed angrily. But thanks to the clear evidence from the dashcam, their lies were exposed and the truth prevailed. Three. Watch what happens when a road-raging driver gets a dose of instant karma. After a trucker refused to let the driver merge, the infuriated driver swerved in front of the semi and slammed on his brakes in the middle of a busy highway. The road rager then got out of his truck and walked toward the semi, seemingly oblivious to the consequences of his actions. What do you think happens next? Let us know in the comments. 4. On the 4th of April, 2016, a devastating car crash unfolded around 2:30 p.m. at the intersection of Novaya and Naberezhnaya streets in Kirovsk. A 63-year-old drunk driver, behind the wheel of a Renault Duster, initiated a chain reaction collision, striking a Vaz 2111, a Ford Focus, and a Gazelle before his vehicle overturned onto an IZH Oda. Tragically, the intoxicated driver passed away from his injuries in the intensive care unit. Fortunately, all other drivers involved in the multi-vehicle pileup sustained only minor bruises and abrasions. 5. A moment of chaos at the gas pump reveals how outdated laws can lead to real-world dangers. When cultural needs clash with discriminatory rules, confusion and hazards emerge, proving that safety and effective laws are inseparable. Six. The driver's ability to keep that mangled car on the road is unbelievable. With a bent frame and twisted wheels, it's still moving. That's not skill, it's pure recklessness. If your car looks like it's already crashed, don't try to drift it. Seven. Maybe some anger management classes could have prevented this pancake flipping disaster. It's a clear lesson that road rage has some seriously high-flying consequences.
I knew that was going to happen.
8. In an insane twist of fate, a rogue pickup truck wheel launched an innocent car into the air. The airborne tire then defied physics, circling back to strike the same vehicle a second time. 9. Luckily, the woman in Buenos Aires failed her driving test. Preventing her from taking her dangerous skills onto the actual roads. Her failure was a win for everyone's safety. A Florida driver's chaotic rampage through a parking lot sent a car flying. They plowed through grass and other vehicles, causing complete pandemonium in their destructive path. 11. A viral video captured a 63-year-old woman's driving test in Argentina going wrong. She crashed into a lamppost after accidentally speeding up, tipping her vehicle. Firefighters helped her out, and she was hospitalized with minor injuries after the incident. 12. A driver, James Reed, 47, was jailed for 6 months for a high-speed, drunk driving crash in Poole, Dorset. Driving over 3 times the speed limit, he crashed his car into a house. Reed fled the scene, but was later found by police, and a blood test confirmed he was over the legal alcohol limit. A semi-truck tragically crashed into several cars on Interstate 5, resulting in the death of 1 man. The incident occurred Tuesday afternoon on the southbound lanes. 14. Brace yourselves for this new footage of a loaded log truck crash. Witness the build-up to the brutal accident, revealing the critical moments just before everything went wrong. Nevada Highway Patrol released dramatic dashcam video of a deadly semi-truck crash on US 93. The footage, captured on the 18th of July, shows the moment of impact. The tragic incident serves as a powerful reminder of the dangers on our highways. Dashcam footage from one of the trucks involved in the Van Reenen accident reveals the chaotic moments before the collision. The video provides a clear perspective on how the three-truck pileup unfolded on the busy road, offering insight into the chain of events leading to the crash. "17. Witness a chaotic multi-vehicle pileup on I-5, all captured on a dashcam. This footage shows a massive semi-truck crash that triggered a chain reaction, leaving a trail of destruction and bringing traffic to a complete standstill. "18. In tragic dashcam footage from the OSHP, a semi-truck collided with a stopped SUV. The SUV, which had been pulled over, was struck from behind, resulting in a devastating crash that claimed the lives of all 4 people inside. 19. Ignoring vehicle maintenance can lead to disaster. A truck's brakes failed, causing a fiery multi-car collision. This wasn't an accident, it was a predictable outcome of negligence. A simple check could have prevented this catastrophic event and saved lives.
The truck got stuck, and the sign seemed to be broken. This is definitely the most memorable moment for the driver.
Thanks for watching this week's dose of instant karma. If you want to see more insane crashes and close calls, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Crash Official. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. We'll see you next time.